Hello everyone, we're here at Southside SLiCE in Amsterdam, and Michael's taking his show on the road. He's going to be cooking some pizza right here in the kitchen. I'm sure a lot of people in Amsterdam have visited this establishment time and time again. I know we had a great time at Wingfest, but today we're going to be making pizza. It's going to be a special pizza. Michael's going to take part in making it, so I hope you enjoy the show. We'll see you at the end, but we'll be eating some great pizza from Southside SLiCE. Come and visit and enjoy the show.
Right, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make some homemade sauce here. This is fresh crushed tomatoes from California. A little bit of pepper, just a little bit. We're gonna do a little bit of salt, some oregano. Then we're gonna stir. We're gonna need dough. Put it in the flour. Get it all flour. Get flour all over it. Stretch. A little bit more flour so it doesn't stick. Yep. Then we're gonna put it on here. Spread it around. Fresh grande mozzarella. Taste the food before you make it to know it's good, you know? We're gonna put it in the wood-fired oven. We gotta be very careful because it's very hot. Shake it off, just like this. There we go, perfect. Slow turns. We're gonna let it sit for a second. We're gonna let it sit. Let it cook more.